40 mind blowing facts about girls' body and behavior. Pause if the video seems fast. Lots of girls love it when boys ask them for advice. Girls don't enjoy talking dirty as much as guys do. Girls are twice more talkative than boys. Girls daydream about their crushes all the time but don't show it. Girls love it when guys say their name. A girl can't find anything to hate about the guy she loves. When the guy she likes smiles and stares deep into her eyes, she will melt. When a guy says something sentimental, she will remember it forever and ever. Gossiping is the pastime for girls. Girls like to feel special, though they might not show it. Never tell a girl that she is useless in any way. Girls enjoy talking about what and how they feel. Girls love it when a guy pulls them close by the waist. A smile means a lot to a girl. Girls know how to control their emotions. When a girl cooks for you, you should know that you mean a lot to her. If a girl is avoiding you after you reject her, leave her for a while. A simple hi from the right person can lighten a girl's day. Girls learn to talk and use sentence earlier and learn to read more rapidly than boys. If a girl loves a guy, he will always be in her mind at every minute of the day. If a girl says she can't go out with you because she has to study, leave her alone. Girls love to hear good things about them. Girls are better at remembering faces than boys. Girls take longer time to take a decision, but once they make a decision, they are more likely to stick to it. Girls have a slower breathing rate as compared to boys. Girls are better at multitasking than boys. Girls have twice pain receptors on their body than boys but have a much higher tolerance than boys. Girls are more anxious, emotional, and fearful than boys. Girls deals with stress by joining or socializing with others, whereas men love to fly away or to get fight with others. Relationship has more emotional value for girls than physical. Girls do not want an honest answer to the question how I am looking. Girls are better at communicating than boys, and that too via non-verbal mostly. Girls process information and thoughts more rapidly than boys. %70 of girls use silence to express pain. Girls seem to use both sides of their brains for problem solving, whereas boys seem to use left side of their brain for it. Looking nice is important to every girl. Girls friend zone the boys who don't show their feelings for long. Girls are socially conscious and dress as per the occasion. For girls, even small things matter. Family is the most important thing for girls. Please subscribe the channel and like the video if you found anything useful in it. Thanks for watching.